Good morning! Wake up, wake up, wake up! Definitely want to today for some gratitude, thanking the Lord for all the blessings that we receive and thanking Him for another beautiful day. So let's go, people! It's Take Action Tuesday. Hope you're fired up for Monday. This is the number 2 cleanse day for me, and I'm really excited, full of energy, and full of action. Now, today, Take Action, guys, I really want to emphasize that thought in your head the moment you have something in front of you that you do not want to do. I tell you what, it happens all the time. You know, most of the time we sit there and we ignore it, or we just don't do anything about it. And you know what, guys? That voice in our head that's telling us to just go ahead and procrastinate, or that voice in our head that's just telling us don't bother, you know what? Reevaluate. Take a look at that voice and say, you know what is this doing for me? Is this helping me or is this hurting me? And go out there and take action. You know, a lot of times we get faced with things and you know what? It's just overwhelming and you know, it just bothers us, so we don't end up taking action. And then we look back at it and say, darn it, I should have took action. So listen, take action today, guys. Do not procrastinate in the things that you want to do, because I tell you, there's so many times in life where, you know what, you'll procrastinate and then you look back at it and say, you know what, if I would have just took that step, if I would have just made that decision to go ahead and move forward with it out of faith, then you know what, the outcome may have been a lot different. So I want to encourage you today to take action on all your goals, all your dreams, all right, on whatever you're going out there and doing on a day-to-day basis, and be consistent. That's the key, guys. All right, so take action. Let's go. Make it happen today. God bless, guys. And as always, you can check me out at AaronHarrison.com. I'm here for you. I'm here to support you. And we are one team, one goal. Let's go, guys. God bless. I'll talk to you soon.